tools are scattered randomly. This aluminum patterned panel toolbox solves the problem directly. High-strength aluminum, with patterns, resistant to rust and impact. Multiple internal partitions for separate storage of tools.